Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Taha. And you are watching Forex Trading YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Let's start. Dollar steadies, sterling surprises, Forex flash from investing.com. Traders, buckle up, we've got a whirlwind of currency action brewing. Join me for a quick spin around the market with investing.com's hottest Forex news. Greenback grabs hold, the dollar index is hovering near a one-month high, fueled by doubts about early Fed rate cuts. Governor Waller's cautious comments, hinting at delayed easing, are giving the buck a boost. Remember, market expectations for a March cut have shrunk, making investors rethink bets on a rapid dovish pivot. Sterling sizzles, get ready for some British fireworks. Hot inflation data surprised everyone, showing a jump to 4%, the first increase in 10 months. This unexpected heatwave is torching Bank of England rate cut hopes, sending sterling soaring against the dollar. Euro edgy, despite hawkish whispers from ECB officials, the euro remains subdued near one-month lows. Eurozone inflation numbers are due later, and if they confirm the rising trend, things might change. Keep an eye on this space. Yuan wobbles, China's growth story isn't exactly thrilling. The economy missed Q4 expectations, barely surpassing the 5% target for 2023. This is pushing the yuan down against the dollar, reflecting concerns about the pace of China's rebound. Yen yields to pressure. The Japanese yen is bowing to the dollar's strength, sinking past the 147 level for the first time in a month. Weak economic data and anticipation of Bodge's dovish stance are adding to the downward pressure. Retail revelations ahead. Don't miss out on US retail sales data dropping later today. It's a crucial indicator of consumer spending, and could influence both the dollar and Fed's rate cut deliberations. Tune into your channel name for updates and expert analysis. Remember, the Forex market is a dynamic beast. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let investing.com guide you through these exciting financial waters.